everyone to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. Like this video if you enjoy it. I'm sure you will. It's fashion, darling. Darling, it's fashion. But yeah, today is a fashion video. I love filming fashion videos. I love fashion. I find it so fun. As I've got a package. Mama got a package. From Depop. It's not really a haul, is it? Yeah, I just saw this with something else, but the other thing, it was an accessory. It hasn't come yet, or that I know of. I got this kind of vintage ski jacket. I want to be more experimental with my fashion. I want to be more like unique and get pieces that I know someone else probably won't have. And let's open this bad boy. I'm sorry that I look a mess. Not gonna lie, it's Christmas holidays. I don't care right now. And also I'll tell you how much it costs. Oh yeah, this is what I meant by like it's kind of out of what I would normally buy. So yeah, this is the jacket. It looks exactly how it looked online. It's got a hood inside. It's got this kind of unique neck shape. It's got this, what's this pattern called? I don't know what you call this pattern. It's a size medium and it costs £40. I think it's cute. But yeah, let's try it on. I actually really like it. Like, I'm glad I brought it. Like I said, it's kind of not something that I would normally buy. It's kind of like the style, I don't know. It's just something different, which is what excites me. Like, I probably won't wear it often, but I will, you know, keep it for the long run and wear it on an occasion. I'll show you some mirror shots. Excuse a somewhat dirty mirror, but yeah, this is the jacket on. I really do like it. It's just unique, and yeah, I like the colours. I like the design. I like this neck bit, but then also you could like open it up. It's really cozy. I understand why it's like a ski jacket. Kind of makes me feel like an astronaut. I think a 9 or a 10 out of 10 to be honest, because number one, like I said, it's unique. I haven't seen anything like it. Alright guys, so quick update. So my glasses came a few days ago, but obviously I held off this video for a while. But yeah, I'll show you them. They're from this shop called Simply Streetwear. These are the glasses, like a box shape. I really like the shape and I like the colours. The reason I brought it is because of the colour. I just thought it just looked really nice, and yeah, they're really good quality. But yeah, I really like them and I'm glad I brought them. I'll show you them on. Excuse my hair, I just haven't had the time to do it today. But yeah, these are the sunnies on. I really like them. I think they're cool.